Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here. Good friend of mine, Captain Scott Manning from Wicked Outdoor Adventures, requested I make some meatloaf. Well, I wanted to kick it up a notch, so today I'm making BBQ Bison meatloaf. So I'm going to mix up some bison with some ground pork, going to put it on the pit barrel, throw some apple wood and hickory on there, and see what we got. So y'all stand by and check it out. Alright y'all, here's what we got for the meatloaf. Got 2 pounds of ground bison, got 2 pounds of ground pork, got some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, got a nice onion, a couple of eggs to hold it together, some Tbls Worcestershire sauce, a little barbecue sauce, some breadcrumbs. So it's going to be pretty much a standard meatloaf. We're going to cut these veggies up and saute them a bit to get them soft, because I don't like to put raw veggies in my meatloaf. So I think it comes out a lot better if you saute them first. So let me cut these veggies up and get them sauteing. Alright y'all, what I've done after starting to cut up these peppers and onions, I decided just to use half of the green pepper, half of the red pepper, and half of that onion, because that was a whole lot. So I'm going to fire this skillet up, and we'll get these veg in here, and we'll get them sauteed up a little bit, and get them a little bit tender, bring the sweetness out, and then we'll go from there. Alright, pan's hot. Get a little bit of olive oil in there. Alright, get the veg in. As you can see, that turned out to be quite a bit of veg. So we'll get this tossed around, get it sauteed up. Alright, the veg are about ready. So what's going to happen, sauteing these vegetables up first, that's going to bring the sweetness out in the onions and the peppers. So they won't have a real sharp taste in the meatloaf. So that's the whole idea behind sauteing these up first. So we don't really brown them up. We just want to kind of get them soft. So they're about ready. So I'll put these veg on a little pie plate here. Let them cool. I don't really want to mix the veg with the raw meat when it's still hot. So spread this out. So I'm going to let this cool a bit. And you can see the steam coming off of it. It smells really good. We'll let this cool off, and then we'll go ahead and get the meatloaf mix done. Alright y'all, I got the 2 pounds of bison in the bowl. Vegetables are nice and cool. Got my pound of ground pork. So we're going to go ahead and bust it up a little bit. Just get it started a bit. Try not to over mix it too much. Alright, let's get our vegetables in there. Alright. Let's get our, what's this here, sauce, Tbls. I don't know, a couple good tablespoons. Alright. Get our It's Incredible on in there. A couple teaspoons. Season it up really good. Get it mixed a bit. And drop an egg in here for a binder. And a little bit of commercial breadcrumb. I don't want too much. But I'm going to be... Alright. Let's get this all mixed up. Feels a little loose. Alright, I think put a little bit more breadcrumb in there. Feels a little loose. Alright. Like I said, don't want too much. This is meatloaf, not bread loaf. Alright. Let's go ahead and put a good shot of Sweet Baby Ray's up in here. Just to give it a little zip. Alright. Alright, got me a little cookie sheet. Put some non-stick spray on here. A lot of meat here. So we'll make 2 small ones. Alright. Let's form this mixture into a loaf. There we go. Alright, I'm going to stick these in the refrigerator for a while, let them see if they'll firm up some. Alright y'all, so we're going to fire up the pit barrel just the normal way. You know the deal, we fill up the charcoal bowl, take some out, fire up a few, dump them on there. You've seen me do this before, so I ain't going to take you through it this time. So as soon as we get the pit barrel up to temperature, I'll probably use some apple wood, a little bit of apple wood, a little bit of hickory wood for the meatloaf. So I'll bring you back when we're ready to go. So. Alright, time to get these meatloafs out there. Grill's ready to go. We'll put a light sprinkle of my homemade barbecue rub on top of this thing for color, a little extra flavor. Alright, let's go outside and put these on the pit barrel. Alright y'all, cooker's up to temp. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to leave these on this small cookie sheet. Put them right in here. Here we go. Looking good. So we'll check back in about, I don't know, 30 minutes. Take the temp. We're probably going to bring these up to about 160 internal. Alright, bring you back in a little bit. Alright y'all, these have been out here about 30 minutes or so. Let's take a peek. So let's get a temp here. About 125. 120. So we're going to let these go another 15-20 minutes or so. And we'll come on back and check them again. Alright guys. We'll get these out of here. So let me take them off this tray and put them back on the rack. We'll go ahead and cover them with some Sweet Baby Ray's. Alright. BBQ Bison meatloaf. Alright, we'll let that sauce set. Give it about 10 minutes. And we'll take them off. Alright, y'all. The sauce is nice and set. Let's see if I can get these out of here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Bison meatloaf, barbecued on the pit barrel. Looking good. Alright, y'all, here's the finished product. Bison barbecued meatloaf. So, this stuff looks really good. I know bison has a reputation for being dry. That's why we added the ground pork to it. So let's cut into this. Take a look. Hard to say. Only one way to tell. So, y'all know the deal. Alright, y'all. Smells really good. Looks good. Taste! Or you gotta be kidding me, man. Oh my goodness. Smoke's coming through. All the seasonings. Peppers, onions. Captain Scott, that's for you, buddy. Man, that is really good. Barbecue bison meatloaf on the pit barrel. Anyway, y'all go check Captain Scott out. He's here on YouTube. Wicked Outdoor Adventures. Captain Scott's also a guide, catfish, striper, up in Tennessee. I think he's out of Knoxville, Tennessee. Tennessee River Monsters. I'll leave a link below to his YouTube channel, and I'll leave his phone number down there too. So if y'all are ever in the Tennessee area and want to get on some big catfish and big striper, go for a outdoor adventure of a lifetime, give Captain Scott a call. So I'm going to enjoy some more of this meatloaf. Y'all know the deal. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If y'all want me to make something for you, Captain Scott asked me for some meatloaf. This is what he got, and this is good. So hit the like, subscribe if you'd like, and we'll see y'all next time. I'm going to have some more of this. Awesome. Bye, y'all.